BDAO satellite system, BDS system, it is of China. All are in medium earth orbit, and all are covering the global level, means whole world they are covering, I have to do GPS in the different way also, but Indian navigational satellite which is going to come, I will discuss later, IRNSS. I can't discuss it right now because your base is not clear. Okay, so I am just preparing your base. That is also known as NAVIC. It is an IRNS, Indian Regional Navigational Satellite System. I am not doing right now. I have just said that there is something in the low earth orbit, there is something in the medium earth orbit, and there is something in the, what I said, that geosynchronous earth orbit. Whatever I am teaching you, it's a request, just concentrate on it, do not go here and there. Beta, India is right now using GPS. In the coming time, we will use IRNSS. One thing I can say that, listen me if you can understand, in 1999 when the Kargil war was taking place, and India asked US GPS system to give the navigation image of position of the Pakistan enemy and their troops, Pakistan troops, give the picture. So at that time USA denied, in 1999 USA denied, therefore India has started their own satellite system, and probably in 2020 this year we will, but we are using GPS, but in the USA aspect has changed. At present the way that it is, our relations are there, it is different, but in the 2020 and it is a topic I will have to take IRNS separately. We will be able to in our apps, or now in our apps what is there, GPS, but later on NAVIC will come in our app, and our positioning will be detected by, it is IRNS. Our IRNS is far better than GPS. I can't discuss right now. So here it is my point of view that in the medium earth orbit there will be also camera, there will be also, I said that which one, there will be transponder. Clear? Beta abhi nahi pucho, I am not going to answer IRNS is in MEO or what. I can say that it is a geo, but I will discuss later on. India is a different country, India is near to the latitude, so many things will come. If you do not, I know that generally in my classes so many students, those who have qualified with the high rank, I have seen that what they used to come and they are very silent in my class. They come into class before me, they leave the class after me, and they do not say anything, and if they have any question they used to ask at the end, they used to write at the side of it, and they are the rankers, I can say. They are the rankers, I can say, and they are the IITians, I can say that. I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur, but I said that let me teach you this science and tech in story form, and you remember me forever, that I can say you. So I said that be cool and calm, ask the question in the last. Most of the things will be cleared by me itself, and some of the question will be covered if maybe your curiosity can cover it the later on, because you are asking some question maybe I will take in the after 2 days. Okay, so let me build your base, and one day you will come that my base is complete, but I know everything about the space technology. That day will come. Just wait for few days, just have a patience. I said, so perhaps you remember that GPS of USA, Galileo of Europe, and GLONASS means Global Navigational Satellite System of Russia, and BDS means BDAO Satellite System of China. And I am not discussing right now about IRNS. Okay, so बेटा अभी मैं नहीं कहूँगा transponder is there in the Leo or not. Okay, I'll come on to it. So one idea I have given, this is I said this is for Leo and it is for better picture IRS, yes or not, Indian remote sensing, and this is known as Earth observation satellite, yes or not. It is a satellite which are observing and mapping the earth, making a picture. So IRS is Indian remote sensing satellite and it is, I said that, in the low earth orbit, understood, and our most of the satellites, most of the satellites in the low earth orbit, because I need more picture. Another point I said that medium earth orbit, here it is, I said that it is a navigation satellite, and in the IRS camera is very much important. Camera is very much important. Camera is very much important, here it is, and another, that is a navigation satellite, here it is a camera plus transponder, and for GPS, for positioning, there is at least 4 satellite I need. Yes, perhaps you remember there is one for latitude, another for longitude, for another it is height and correct time and accuracy, 4 satellites, and the satellites should be equipped with camera and transponder, that we can say that at least 4 satellite. And another point I said that if I am talking about geosynchronous earth orbit at a 36,000 kilometer height, you know that it is for telecommunication, there is a broadcasting, weather forecast, everything, clear hai? And there is an importance of, I said that transponder and camera also, clear. My one question is there, so that you can relate with this topic. If I am talking about a temperate grassland, if somebody is asking what is the temperate grassland, so you will say, sir, in the mid latitude region, there is a grassland area where the temperature is moderate, that is known as a temperate grassland. You can say in very simple manner. If I will ask you, where the grassland will have also trees here and there or not? Grassland will have also trees, but we are saying it as a grassland because the most of the, in that area grasses are more, therefore I said grassland. If I am saying evergreen forest, equatorial evergreen forest, what does it mean? Equatorial evergreen forest, what does it mean? Means there is a forest, but also there will be grasses on the land. But who is more emphatic? Which is more in number? That is a forest. Therefore, evergreen forest we are talking about, yes or not? So the name depends upon in which you are best. So if I am talking about the camera in the low earth orbit, camera, in the medium earth orbit, camera and transponder, and in the geo there is a transponder plus little camera. So low earth orbit can also use transponder at times if it requires, clear? But the importance is for the camera, understood it? So I have gone through the basic idea of this. Now I am going to start with the low earth orbit. Before I said that, one thing is there. My question is, why do satellites are revolving around Earth, why do satellites are revolving around Earth at a fixed height, with certain speed, but not falling towards Earth? Why do satellites are revolving around Earth at a fixed height with certain speed but not falling towards Earth? Clear? So let us see this. Okay, what is it? What is this? If I am talking about, you know that if I send a satellite with the rocket PSLV or GSLV, we are sending it, and after going there at a certain height, it start revolving and do not fall towards the Earth. Why? You know that generally we used to give very high speed when we are projecting. My one understanding, I will come on to this page again. One idea, if I have to say, like if this is the Earth and a portion is a person is standing here and he throws the ball with some speed, and then if he throw the ball with certain speed, then what will happen? It will move and fall down here. Then again he increased his speed, then he moved and fall down here. And I am talking about, it is one of the experiment of Newton. Listen me carefully. Perhaps you are going to understand it today. But this has been understood by this Newton many years ago. And again this portion has thrown this ball there, and then he fall here. Then again, as the speed he is increasing, the ball is reaching far and far. As he is increasing the speed, the ball is reaching far and far. And again I said that now again I threw the ball, and then ball started moving, and it is able to reach here. And again I thrown the ball with more speed, and then it is able to, I said that it is able to fall, but it is not able to fall toward the Earth. He is trying to fall toward the Earth, but the Earth is not there. Earth is in a, you know, that geoid shape, looking like little spherical. After certain speed, if I am throwing something, then it will not, the speed should be such that after certain speed it looks like that it is falling toward the Earth, but it is, he wants to fall toward the Earth, but there is no space, though there is no Earth surface because it is spherical, it keep on. I said that. Here again he said that let me fall down, he is about to fall but not falling. He is, then I said that circulating, revolving around the Earth. So there should be some speed, you know that, there should be some speed. I have given a basic idea that yes, there should be a certain speed to what I said, that revolve around Earth. So if I say that, perhaps this small concept must be little bit clear. Okay, this is the practice, this is the practical done, not a practical done, but it is, I said that it is done by the Newton in some experimental manner, not on the Earth, but they are saying something, okay, this is in a big ball, I am throwing here, then what will happen? So my question is here, that here it is moving. Life may kabhi, you in the life you must have done one thing. Yes. Good, all of you are doing something good here. Let us see if we have done one thing is there in the childhood. You are, I said that revolving a ball, it is attached with a string or a rope and it is moving around you, yes or not? If it is moving around you, so you have seen that suppose something is moving around you are making it to circulate, then on this ball which is circulating, then this ball is finding one force toward the portion who is circulating in the hand center and one force is finding away, yes or not? One force is trying to pull towards the portion hand and one force is trying to, what I said, that move away. So that move away is a centrifugal force, and the force which is making it to move toward, to attract toward the earth, then it is what happen, I said that one it is finding gravitational force toward the earth and one it is finding what? Centrifugal force away from the earth. So why? One idea I have given with the Newton's law, and another I said that when they will move, when then the force, gravitational force of the satellite is equal to the centrifugal force. Gravitational force of the satellite is equal to the centrifugal force, and if I am talking about, and gravitational force, you know that it is the mass of earth and the satellite mass is what? M. So must be, you must have studied in the class 9th or 10th. If you are not having a science subject in 11th 12th, must have studied in the class 9th and 10th about this gravity, that is a G m upon r square, and r square is the distance of satellite from the earth. Yes, perhaps you remember, even if you do not remember, then you can, even those who are having a humanity background and say that sir I have never, I do not remember class 9th and 10th, then even then you just think, ki yes, it is the two masses are there, this is mass m and it is the capital mass of the m earth, and they are what is attracting each other. Any body in this world, in this universe is having some gravitational force. Kisi na kisi se attracted hai, they are attracted by anything, something. So G m r square, and centrifugal force, you already you know that it is the mass of this, and he is finding centrifugal force to move away from the center. Centrifugal force means away from the center, centripetal means towards the center. So here it is a centrifugal, it is, I said that m, this is the mass of this, and he is trying to move with certain speed mb square upon r. Suppose I said that I am making it to circulate, the ball is circulating around. My hand. If I will decrease the speed, the ball will lose its path or lose its orbit and it will fall towards my hand. Possibly it will start falling. If the speed, आपने कभी देखा होगा, if I am doing like this, after certain, if you will start slowing the speed, it will start falling down towards what? Earth. So there should be a certain speed required. I have said earlier, there should be a certain speed required to what? Move in a particular orbit. So this is the mass of, and can I cancel this? Small m cancel. And in the similar way, this equation you should not write in your mains examination if it has been asked. I am just making you to try to understand you something. And you know that something like this, 7 into 8 upon 4 into 4 equals to 38 upon 2. So I can cancel 2 like this, 2 2 ja 4. I can cancel lower, upper also. So similarly I can cancel r with this r. So what left here? G m upon r equals to v square, and G m upon r under root v. Yes or not? Yes or not? So v equals to what I got? V equals to, I got what? V equals to under root Gm upon r. It is clear, Gm upon r. Yes or not? V equals to under root Gm upon R. So my question is here, one thing that you have understood earlier in your life, directly proportional and inversely proportional, perhaps all of you know that, directly proportional and inversely proportional. So my question is here, can I say that if something is, I said that one question मैं आपसे ले लेता हूँ, speed equals to distance upon time.